Okay, good evening everyone. So this is a live withdrawal that I'll be doing on this video. So in this video I want to perform a live withdrawal on this video right now. So this is Miratel, a platform that was launched on 28th of this month. So this is how to withdraw from the system. So this is my second withdrawal as well. So once you want to withdraw, you click on this blue button right here. You click on it, then you wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, this is my account number and this is my bank. This is paycom. I'm using online banking, so you can use paycom as well. The link is also in the description, because on this online banking makes it faster for you to withdraw. So let me just place withdraw for you to see right now. So I will just withdraw it. I'll click on affiliates, then I'll put in the amount I want to withdraw. So let me just withdraw 13.6. Yeah, that's 13,600 right there. Then I'll click on submit request. Then as you can see here, withdrawal successful submitted. So I will be dropping the my withdrawal proof once I receive it. I also be dropping the withdrawal proof once I receive it. So you can check my community to see my withdrawal proofs that I've done from this platform before. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like also.